Guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today is our Sweet Sunday review. Before we get started, go in and comment right now which one of these glass cleaners do you think will win 10 sweets. Because you know when it comes to glass cleaning, all you want is for it to work easily without streaking and smearing. Let's get busy.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Alright, let's get started. Fairly simple. Won't take a rocket scientist to do this. We are going to do the invisible glass on this side, which will be this one. We are going to do the Rain-X glass cleaner here. We are going to do the Windex here. And the Rain-X waterless wash on this one. Now we're going to use what the manufacturer says on each one of these bottles, what we should wipe it with. The waterless will get a microfiber towel. The rest will all receive a standard paper towel to do the wiping. We're going to give each one a small mist. You'll have to trust us because you're not here with us. We'll tell you which one is working, but we've already got an idea from a few testings that we've done. Each one gets one small spray right there. Rain-X, Windex. Now this glass has not been cleaned, and then the waterless. We'll give that a second. Now we'll take the paper towel and we'll go up and down on it here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can see it's dirty, so the glass is dirty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, dirty. Windex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're looking for the cleaner that will not smudge and smear. The microfiber, of course, goes with the Rain-X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right now, we have smears on this side for the invisible glass. Hopefully you've made your decision. The Windex looks pretty good. The Rain-X is actually a little better than the Windex because we don't want smearing and smudging. And the waterless wash is absolutely spotless. We thought about it for a second. We thought, well, wait a minute. Rain-X made this for paint, and they know you're going to clean your glass with it. We wondered how well would it compare to other glass cleaners. This is amazing of what it does for glass. Shines it right up, and you can do the inside of the glass.